Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm participating in the Summer Fireplace Challenge 2022, hosted by Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and V's Interior Design and Lifestyle. Links to both their channels will be in my description box below. So let's jump right in to the mantle decorating. After a quick cleaning, I am coming in with a change in artwork and decor. I'm bringing back my signature color, honey. Purple has been MIA for a while, but I am bringing it back for this summer look. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I decorate my mantle. This mantle decorate with me was a no-spend project. These purple peonies I picked up last year from Amazon. All of the other decor I had on hand. My lanterns were DIY projects, and the only thing I picked up this year were the 2 little white birds from Dollar Tree. My tip for today, you don't have to always run out and spend additional money. Sometimes taking items from one room and moving them to another can give you a whole new look and feel. The artwork I took from my haul. Some of the sculpture was upstairs in my bedroom, along with the 2 silver vases and the hurricane lanterns I use sometimes in tablescapes. So I didn't spend 1 cent on anything in this decorate with me. I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you inspiration to decorate your fireplace mantle in your home. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Please be sure to stop by our host channels and show them some love. And let them know that Amethyst sent you. And visit the playlist, which will be linked in my description box below, for some fantastic decorating Fireplace inspiration. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.